how charming is this downtown? This is Wetumpka, Alabama, and it's the site of Hgtv's Home Town Takeover, where they've recruited Ben and Erin Napier to remake a bunch of different elements in the small town. It's really exciting. I'm gonna get a behind the scenes on the happenings here. I'm Jay Pickens, and I'm gonna share it with you. There's no question why small towns are awesome, but how do you make an awesome place like Wetumpka even better? I'm taking a stroll down Company Street with Jenny and Troy Stubbs, a Wetumpkian power couple who believes that investing in their downtown will help the whole community thrive. Jenny, Troy,
Hey!
what's up?
Hey!
How y'all doing?
Good.
Come on out. On top of owning a frozen pop spot together downtown, Troy's the Elmore County Commissioner and Jenny, the Main Street Director of Wetumpka.
We both have found ourselves sitting around at night, especially over the last 5 or 6 years, and going, well, why don't we have this in Wetumpka? Why don't we have that? And we started thinking, well, then we need to step out there and do it. And that's what led me to run for public office. That's what led Jenny to express and share her passion for Main Street Wetumpka. And you know, so now we're fully invested one way or the other.
Ben and Erin know from their experience in Laurel that downtown is the pulse of any small town. That's why Company Street, which is a huge part of the town's history, is one of the areas they're focusing on fixing up.
The buildings are fine, they're just
It's
rough.
just a little shabby.
It's really interesting because, you know, we have a river that divides us from the West Wetumpka and the East Wetumpka. And in the late 19th century, there was actually a huge flood that washed away the bridge, because before then, all of the businesses were on the west side. But after the flood, they all moved to this side. So if it weren't for the flood, which we've had many floods and fires, we've even had an earthquake. If it weren't for that particular flood.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Stop clogging.
Some of us are working.
Yeah.
You need a hand with that? Your arms are a little small. Why don't you let a man carry it for
Oh
you?
gosh.
Here you go, let me get this
So
for
heavy,
you, buddy.
so
Yeah,
heavy.
come on.
Thank you. So I'm gonna go in here and get a.
What do you think? I got you here. What do you think about him working in your town?
This is a dream come true.
This is
for
a
these guys.
Mississippi man coming to Alabama.
Oh, we're all Southern. We're all Southern.
I don't, you know, it takes a Mississippian to turn Alabama. It takes Mississippi to turn Alabama around. You get it?
Yeah.
We see who's carrying this. Oh no, I get it.
Because they're on the.
Yeah, no, I got it.
I don't know if they teach geography
Yeah.
in North Alabama.
Ah, there you go.
Yeah, no, they definitely don't. But we don't need it. We don't need it. Mississippi is part of Louisiana to us.
Oh God!
Yeah, it's all in one.
Too much.
All in one
I'm gonna
state.
get a popsicle.
Well, go get one. Haley's in there ready for you.
You see, these guys are doing all the work right here. Bumping into Ben Napier in downtown Wetumpka is just one of the reasons Jenny and Troy love their little town. Knowing your neighbors is the best part of small town life. They've been investing a lot in their community, and they're excited by the boost Hgtv will bring.
We own a small business here on Company Street. We also own a few commercial buildings that we're looking to find great occupants for. So we've recognized that Company Street was an opportunity because of the history, as Jenny talked about, but also is kind of the thoroughfare through town, and seems like people are starting to want to go back to the small town feel. Even if you don't know somebody around here, you still wave, and they still wave back. So that's something we really appreciate here.
Well, downtowns are all about the people, and if the buildings are empty, then the people have no reason to come. So having their presence here to help us, you know, get these buildings a facelift and some curb appeal, to invite these small businesses in so that the foot traffic increases and there's community. I mean, these downtowns used to be the heartbeat of the community.
Here's a sneak peek of what big things Ben and Erin are doing to revitalize this super small town.
This is Company Street.
Ah, yes it is.
I mean, what happened to Company Street? It wasn't always dead.
I don't know. Look at that middle window there on that green building. That's living.
Yeah, there's some elements of life. This particular part of downtown is older than the rest. So you know what happens when something gets older. Sometimes instead of, you know, renovating it, resurrecting it, people just build something new. There are so many people in the community that love this place, and they want to see it brought back to life again, and they want to see the vibrancy and the community together.
It needs to feel like this is all one big book, and each business is a chapter in the book. My goal is to make the buildings feel alive to make the people want to see what's in it.
Oh, I love that.
All right,
Let's get started.
All right,
Be a
let's do it.